Imagine this, 100 men versus one silverback gorilla. Who do you think would win in this epic showdown? The silverback with its immense strength and agility, or the sheer number of 100 men working together? It's a clash of nature's raw power against human strategy. Picture the chaos, the adrenaline, the unpredictability. Would teamwork and tactics outsmart brute force? Or would the gorilla's dominance be too overwhelming? This isn't just a battle, it's a test of survival instincts. So what's your take? Could 100 men really stand a chance? Comment below with your thoughts.